like that. This is cool. Definitely enough to get this track started. You can always improve as we go. So now that we have the bass, we can go and, of course, do a bit of sound design onto it. I think I like this one the best, but I can always play with these here. Oh yeah, a bit of delay here. This is so cool. Put a bit more delay, put it a bit wider, give it a bit of drive. Bit of chunk. I don't mind a bit of resonance too. Then I'm gonna create a bit more length, so when we play the synths, we're gonna be able to do something a bit more. And then listening to that, I'm gonna cut the filter a little bit. And somehow this inspires me. It's a bit synthy, so melodic techno-y, synth wavy maybe a little bit. I'm gonna go into brass and create a sand effect here. The sand effect will be a reverb, a silver reverb around those. Then, of course, I'm gonna pick a brass here. I'm gonna go in the higher registry here. Give myself a bit of reverb. Something like this. Create a bit of a melody-ish. That's good. I'll do it a bit shorter. For the keys here, a bit shorter would be better. And of course, again, some sound design once we have the loop on. Replicate. I think I'll drop a sidechain on top of this. Four to 1 ratio here. Drop the sidechain onto the silver verb too, to pump the effect in the verb. And of course drop the volume of the verb. So I like the melody, I like everything, but this bass sound doesn't excite me enormously. I'm gonna check. Nicer at least. Good. This is more what I was looking for to start with. After this, I'm gonna go straight into a pad. This is actually sweet. This is definitely more of what I was looking for. I'm gonna do in my highly rated ones here. Check if I can drop a simple chord. So what I want is to drop some hits of this pad here. I think I'm a bit too, oh, is it too low? Not quite. Not quite what I was looking for. Told you guys it's gonna be melodic techno, but of course with my progressive twist, because this is how I like it. Yeah, this one's a bit off. This is nice like that. Again, replicate. I think it's time to add a bit of percussions. Now that we have a little bit of a bass, like a bass, not a bass. I think I want to roll some hats on top of this. Oh no, I do very much enjoy this, so we'll leave it like this. Not what I wanted to do, but hey, I take it. A bit less volume. I think I like it a little bit more to the left here. There seem to be some interesting percussions here. Toms, bongos. Ooh, nice. I would do 2 here. Maybe a bit lower. I'm gonna do a bit of a clean out by doing Control A, right click on any part, name region by track, and then color region by tracks. So this pad is cool. I feel it would be good to take a bit of the top off. I just want the vibe of it around 2000. Oh, we're a bit lower than this here. Around 1K, we have this nice, rich, kind of lush frequency. So I still want... Oh, this one's even harder. Those are... Maybe, I guess, alright. We'll do well at the top here. Just complete the groove a little bit, make it more full. So I like those bongos, but what I like about percussions is to give an answer. So you have those turn, 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 and I would like to give them, let's say, an answer. So we'll keep the same, the same pattern. So I cut the first here, and I will drop it offbeat a little bit like here. Oh, this somehow, the root key is a lot higher. So you can hear, it just follows each other, so. Where is this one? Root frequency, root key, oh, root key, no root key. Somehow it doesn't show me the root key of this one. Some cajon, oh. No, I did like the first one. This one here. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the key, but I'm not changing I'm keeping the key, but I'm changing the octave, so I keep everything in key with the drums too. I was gonna save this, but it's unnecessary because Logic saves everything automatically. So now I'm thinking, what could I bring, what would bring a bit of another level to this track. I think I would reuse those patterns here that I use for the bass. I would layer like an organ, something a bit groovy on top here. So I'm gonna go into a real organ. Actually, I'm gonna go into a B3. You can already hear it. Put a sidechain on it. Cool, but not. That I like. It's a bit strange for this like techno-y kind of vibe. We're going a bit more almost housey, but it doesn't matter. That's also nice. You get a nice tone to it. It's richer. It usually work well with this type of bass. I think now what we need, guys, is a lead. We need to turn this beat into a track, into a song, which we will do immediately. I'm gonna go into leads. I'm gonna set the compressor is there. Everything is there. I'm gonna go a bit higher. I'm gonna go super randomly somewhere here. Something just like that. Let's see if it worked. Let's quantize it quickly. Something is a bit off here with the second hit.